well, as Senthil is now pointing out, be yet another interim budget, and the real budget will come in February 2010. What are the reactions we are getting from Parliament, outside Parliament? Smita Nair at the moment has Rajiv Chandrasekhar, industrialist turned politician. Their tribe seems to be increasing at the moment, Smita, but what's the sense he and others are getting from this budget? That this is really an interim budget in a sense, short perhaps on hype, but much more realistic?
Right, I'll put that question straight to Rajiv. In fact, I suspect he could hear you already. He was listening intently in that visitors gallery, came out saying really nothing beyond expectation. Rajiv, is that what it is, short on hype but realistic?
No, I think it's a sensible budget. I think anybody who was expecting a superstar big bang budget was being unrealistic. The government is obviously operating under very difficult circumstances, both domestic and external. And what he's done is establish and consolidate the gains of the last 6-7 months and maybe look at this as a platform for the next 4 years. So I think it's been all in all reasonably sensible. He said a lot of things about the fiscal deficit and on pro-growth, pro-investment. For people who are expecting fireworks, they'll walk away disappointed, but people like me who are looking more to a directional cue, we are reasonably satisfied.
Right. Even so, what are the big takeaways from what Pranab Mukherjee said in that hour and a half?
I think the takeaway that he sees the fiscal deficit as a challenge, and he is committing to addressing fiscal deficit through disinvestment, expenditure management and subsidy rationalization over the medium term. So that is a very important takeout. B, he sees growth as the important imperative for the government and sustainable growth. He used the word sustainable growth of 9%. So it is important that his words are aligned to what most of us want, and that I think on that we got a complete agreement. Then he has done, obviously on the rural spend part, he has actually increased the mix of infrastructure in the rural social spending package, right, which is also good. He has increased the outlays for infrastructure, he has increased the outlays for rural infrastructure, right, and so I think there is stuff there that will take the growth up from where we are today to the next level.
Right. Yeah. On the taxation front, anything to take away, at least in terms of intent?
Look, I'll tell you, I never expected anything on taxation breaks. There is no room for it. We should not expect it. He's got to have 1 or 2 years of allowing the economy to grow before he can start giving away tax breaks.
Yeah, right. On a scale of 10, how would you rate this?
No, I think it's a good, decent, sensible budget. I don't want to give it any grade. Right. Given the circumstances, you can call it a 9. Right. But if you compare it to the dream budgets and all of the other superstar budgets, those numbers may be off. But this is a sensible budget, and I think it's in the right direction.
All right, Rajdeep, a sensible budget in the right direction. Can't rate it, but given the circumstances and the fine balancing act that Pranab Mukherjee had to carry out, certainly sensible seems to be what Rajiv is suggesting.